Morning guys, happy new year. Long time you haven't seen video from me, so here I am today. I'm gonna try to catch some nice fish. Hopefully it's gonna be a good video for you to watch, and there is gonna be a giveaway as well, so please watch the whole video so you don't miss the information I'm gonna give you about the giveaway. Enjoy it. Today I'm using I think it's called Corum Squirms or something like that. They were recommended by a friend, so I'm gonna try them, see what happens. This is the 5 cm version, and it's called dark something. I forgot what it was exactly, the name of the color. Lots of bait fish here, but no perch at all. There's one old boat here. I'm gonna cast next to it, see what happens. I think I'm gonna switch to Carolina rig, and hopefully perch will respond better. Okay guys, I switched to Carolina rig. I'm gonna be using Geecrack little spider. I really like this lure. Let's see if it's gonna be some change. In the behavior of the perch. big perch, guys. He's not hooked well. I hope I'm gonna manage to scoop him. Shh. Easy, 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 boy. Oh, there we go. Big, big perch. Come on, big guy. He's very, very fat and big. Okay, see you next time. Lovely. Big perch, second one, lovely. I saw him on the first cast. He came behind the lure, but didn't want to take it. Come on. Oh, another one, big one following him. Oh shit. Oh man, this guy's fat. Check this out, guys. Let's release this fat guy. Big one. Come on. Okay guys, I will have to end my session today because I have to go and pick up the little one from nursery. I would say it was quite successful. Managed to land 2 nice perch. And please don't forget to leave a comment under the video for the chance to win a gift from me. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.